let's do 100 plus first.
This is
Oh,
awesome.
wait a second.
This is
100 plus.
Awesome.
That one was pretty good. Wait, what about this one? Not very good.
Yeah.
That one's great. That one is awesome.
That one was awesome.
Oh, we don't need an ad. That's a lot of ads.
We're definitely.
We like that. We like number
3.
3. Okay, ready?
No, that's not a real fart.
Kind of funny, but not funny. Ready? Wait a minute.
this one.
That's like a lingering. That was pretty good. I like number 3 and number 6 so far.
Yeah, me too.
We gotta listen to that one again. Shh. Try to stop laughing.
I didn't laugh.
Okay.
That one is great.
Wait a minute. Shh. Ready?
I know it's gonna be funny.
Be quiet. Ready?
Yes.
No, fart sound number 8.
Yeah.
Here we go.
And,
Let's do that one again.
that's not funny anymore.
Oh, that one was funny. Fart sound number 9. We couldn't hear that. We couldn't hear all of it. Hang on. I like that one too.
Let's go.
I love
Okay, fart sound number 10.
It's like a mini moaning, like.
That was like the motorbike fart. That was pretty good.
I
But
like number 10.
you like number 10? Yes, we like this app. This app is wonderful. We're going to give you a 10-star, 5-star.
10?
How did you rate your app's experience? Rate your experience. I don't know yet. We don't know yet. We'll go back.
Okay, let's go back.
We're just going
to
to post this for now.
That is
Back.
good.
We're working on it. Oh, wait a minute. Okay.
Do 11.
No, no, no.
I know.
I
No.
kind of like it.
I don't like it.
Not very good.
No.
Oh, that dude's got an upset tummy for real, yo. Okay, shh, we didn't get to hear this one.
I like that.
I got you like number 15?
Yeah.
What about this one? Wait.
That's not
This
good.
bro's got some like bubble gut. Gross. Okay, we gotta watch an ad.
I need to pee, but I'm
Samsung season of savings. Season on savings on Samsung. Savings Samsung season.
Wait for this one. 'Cause I need to go pee.
Oh.
That's not funny.
I like it.
We got 100 of these. Don't pee on me.
It's not too good.
I like 20. I like 20.
I like that one too.
I like it too.
I like 21.
Oh, that one was nasty.
What about we keep doing 21 over and over again and we're gonna say, ah!
Oh, gross. That one was pretty pretty good.
I like it.
Mom, wait for the next one. I have to pee. One
Okay,
more
go
round.
pee. Ooh, I like that one. We'll review the fonts while you pee. Oh, they have special fonts.
Don't.
We're just going to start back at the top. We're on number 23. Go pee. Okay,
but don't-
ready? We're going to review, Eddie. Review. That was pretty good. It's a font number 10. Go wash your hands. It's the wiener.
Peed in the toilet, and they almost filled up,
That's pretty gross.
and I flushed it.
Season savings on Samsung. Thank you, Samsung.
I just went to the
Okay, now
bathroom
you
a
can
minute
go back
ago.
to
Well, I'm glad.
Ready?
Don't touch my phone because you didn't wash your hands, you wiener hands. All right, number 23. Shh, listen.
3.
I like that one. Ready? 24.
I am going to.
Almost got me.
Mm.
No.
I like that one.
I like
it
that
didn't
one.
get me. It did get me. No, it did get me. No.
I think that one wasn't very good.
Yeah, that was very good, but I got
I like it.
Shh, listen. Shh. Try to be quiet.
Maybe this is fun to try out. So. Here's a Costuino.
Oh, God. I like those ones.
I like them.
I
I like it.
feel like I bounce out some beats with that one. Hang on. Claim benefits. Free healthcare benefits. Thank you, but no thank you. We're straight on them.
Still have
Okay, wait a
wiener
minute.
hands.
Where are we at? Don't put your wiener hands on me. Oh, that was a jam. That has echo. That's like in a toilet. Listen to the echo. I appreciate the echo on that font. Listen.
Call me.
Wait a minute. You're skipping ahead. Yeah, leave the wiener alone. Listen to this one. This one we can make a beat with. Look. I like that one.
I like it.
Ew. That one was pretty nasty. Listen. That one was pretty good. Listen, this one's good. Cannon, listen. Leave the wiener alone.
Do it again. Do that one again. I like it.
I like it too. Ready? Oh!
That looks like a whoopee cushion. Nope.
Not a fan.
No, not
Ready?
Not it.
Addie, listen, baby.
God,
Let's check
baby.
font 44. Oh, that's disgusting. We gotta do that one again. Ready?
Yep. We're gonna so random pop the sound. We're probably gonna do
Ready?
that
Ready?
1,000 times. Not a fan. Not a fan.
That was a long one, though.
No.
I
I'm
like
not
it.
A fan. I don't like it. I don't like it. No, it didn't get me.
I appreciate the flushage.
Fart. No, that was not farting. That was shooting at you. We're done. Do it again.
Ready? Hang on. Shh. Everybody be quiet. Shh. Okay. On to the next fart.
I like it. I like it.
Hang on.
Fart 30.
53. Ready?
53. Yep. How many?
Straight face. Ready?
I keep my face.
Oh!
Joe, Koopa, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Ram. Ooh, Mommy likes the Jeeps. Ooh, look at the look at the truck. I like the Gladiator.
I like the Gladiator.
I like the Gladiator.
Let's get the Gladiator.
Okay, first let's go to fart 54 first. Ready? Fart 54. That was like farting in the hallway by yourself. Farting in the elevator. Watch. Wait a second.
Mom.
Ready? Shh. Quiet. I like that one. Ready? Fart 55. That was pretty good.
Not for me.
Oh, I like 56.
No, I don't. I don't like it.
Bro's got problems. What wet stuff are you spitting on my face with your wet willy stuff? Gross.
I just licking my
Don't. Oh wait, we didn't even hear that one. Wait, this is a quiet one. Quiet. Shh.
That was the best.
459. Oh, I like it.
I like part 58. Let's do some pranks.
Fart 60. Hang on.
No.
That was like fart 59 with some extra.
No.
That was like an extra 50. Oh, I like that one.
Nope, I don't like it. No.
That was just a basic fart. We didn't get to hear 63. Shh, Weena. Oliver. You just looked me in my mouth. You nasty wiener. Wiener. We haven't even made it to fart number 63, Weena. Weena, hang on, Weena. We gotta listen to fart number 63. Shh, everybody be quiet. Wiener, stop. Wiener. Wet wiener, please.
The wiener.
Get the wiener out of my face. Okay, ready? Take a deep breath. Fart number 63. You ready, Reno? Okay, ready? That one was okay.
Nope.
Ready? 64. I like 64. Fart number 65.
What's that?
It's like Donald Duck.
It's like a Donald Duck fart. Cannon.
Donald Duck.
Cannon, you're making him a mad wiener. Quit. Okay, fart number 66. Ready?
No.
I like it.
No.
Yeah.
Fart number 67.
I like it.
That sounds like diarrhea.
Gross.
We're doing that one.
Oh, quit.
Let's do the plan behind the house.
We like this. Quit. Hey, he's an angry wiener. Quit. Oh.
No, go back to...
Listen, I like it.
Go back!
Oh, we didn't get to hear that one. That one is an exhausted fart, like at the end of the day fart. Wait, ready. Listen. Quit. Get your fingers off. I'm not kidding, Kanan. I can't even push the buttons. Quit.
I want to do the 70. I like 68. Do it again. Do 68
Okay,
again.
68 again.
No, 67. That was my problem.
67.
We're doing that one behind the couch. Let's do it.
That one was good.
That was a trade.
Oh, that's like the silent but deadly one. Listen. This one's really quiet. You gotta be quiet.
Like a wiener.
All right, ready?
What number we on?
That was 72. All right, 73.
No,
Going
I
74.
don't like it. I don't like it.
Oh, 74 is a good one.
Boom.
Wait.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
75.
We're doing 76. I mean 76.
Oh, that was like a splashback.
Let's do that one.
Oh, tap to hold to fight. I don't want to fight. I'm a lover, not a fighter.
Let's do it.
How do I get out of here?
Do it. You died.
Oh, okay.
You died.
I'm okay with that.
Whee.
Okay, number 70. 77 goes on for days. That is disgusting.
That was my favorite.
That one's nasty.
Let's do that. No. 77. I just wanted
I
to
can't even hear 80.
67.
Hush.
I don't like that.
Wait, 81.
What was that? What was that?
Ready?
Idiot.
Almost got me.
I like that one.
Puppy copter.
Leave the wiener alone.
We're
Don't
making a little
touch the
puppy
wiener.
copter. Make a little puppy copter, Addie.
Oh my God. Listen to that one. Listen. Shh. Listen to all the different fart sounds in this one. Walking farts. Oh, look at the new Wrangler. Thank you. I like the Gladiator better.
I like the gladiator.
Oh wait, we couldn't hear 84. Shh. Ready?
That was great.
All right, 85. We're almost done. We got 15 farts left. Only 15 more farts. Oh, so worth it.
Back to the nasty one. Go to the squirt one. Puppy copter.
88. Fart number. Quit. He's an angry wiener. We want him to be a nice wiener. Hang on, ready? Number 88. Fart number 88. Shh. We got this.
No, I don't like it.
Okay, 89.
No.
Yeah.
No, no.
Oh wait, 91. Shh.
No.
That was like a wiener fart.
Oh,
That was like 91 with an echo. Oh! Let's check out 93. Ready? 94. Oh, gross!
That was it.
Oh, it keeps going! Hang on! Shh! We gotta try to be quiet for this one. Shh. Ready? That's disgusting. Okay, ready? Ready? Shh. 95.
What was that?
Oh, that one was nasty.
No.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
Thank you. I like the red. 1% off even. Hey, bro. We gotta get that back down to the number. You messed it up.
I want it.
Okay, ready? Wait a minute. Wait. Hey, we got only a couple. Oh my God, there's more than 100 farts. Oh, it said 100 plus, huh?
100.
I say we take a break at 100. Butt sounds like that. Jeez, that's just God. That's so gross. I think we're gonna stop at 99. Wait a second. Listen to 99 again. Wait, this is like an alien butt or something.
I can't.